Well, it has been a super fun weekend at the track with Jordan and Zinta and the whole crew, and Will, Mike, Kurt.
So the crew is going to pack up all the cars on trailers and drive those back. I'm going to fly the 505, and next to me on the right, that's Jordan and Mark. They're going to take off. We're going to do a vertical takeoff together to minimize our downwash.
Motorcyclists are coming off of the track.
And Zinta will stand out front as our ground crew safety, and Will take a video.
Okay, door is latched.
Which I'll share at the end of this video.
Fuel on board sync, no exceedances, confirm weight and balance, engine page. Engine is out. Okay, my flow is rotor brake, fuel shut off, AC, throttles, blades are untied, bleed air, 26.1 volts, start the timer, and clear. Starter light will go out at 50 NG. The generator, audio. When the NR is stable at 64, I'll turn on the generator. Make sure I'm talking to him. Okay, generator comes on.
HTOS test okay.
Watching that low RPM goes out at 97. Get rid of my HTOS.
All right, will you up on 1, 2, 3, 4?
I sure am.
Perfect. And just confirm one more time, you said for me to go to Payson?
Affirmative, Payson.
Perfect, thanks. All right, well, I'm going up into the gate right now.
Perfect. Inhibit. Okay, we'll turn on all the lights. He's pretty faint on there. All right, I am just now in the green whenever you are ready.
Cool, I'll just start going up. I'm going to turn towards you as well, and we'll just go up 100 feet.
Sweet.
Listen.
Lifting. Oh, this looks so cool. All right, diving off to the front. That was like a dance. That was beautiful.
That was super cool. I've never done anything like that.
Oh, man. All right, you guys have a blast. I'm going to head off this way, and we'll hopefully see you again soon.
Awesome. Stay fine. We'll see you soon.